In this video, we're going to take a look at how to delete a text message on an iPhone. To delete an individual text message, start with the Message app open and inside of a text thread that you've started. Find the message that you want to delete and then press and hold on the text bubble. From the pop-up menu that appears, tap More at the bottom of the list. You'll then see a check mark next to the text bubble on the left. If you want to, you can select more than one at a time, so you can choose the ones that you want to delete. Don't worry about selecting everything though if you want to delete the entire thread, because we're going to take a look at that part next. Once you have the message or the messages that you want to delete selected, tap the trash icon down on the bottom left of the screen. A pop-up will appear where you can then confirm by hitting Delete Message. This will then delete the message that you've selected. Note though that this is only going to delete the message on your end. So if you're hoping to delete it from the other user also, that's not going to work. The only way to do that is by unsending a message, but you have to do it within a certain time frame. I'll put a link to another video here though that shows you that process. Next, let's take a look at deleting an entire message thread from your iPhone. Head back to the Messages homepage. Find the text thread that you want to delete and then swipe left on it. You'll then see a notification bell and a trash can. Tap the trash can and then confirm by hitting delete again at the bottom. After you do that, that entire message thread will then be deleted and removed from your iPhone. One last thing that we'll look at though, and is fairly new to Apple, is the ability to undelete a message or a thread that you've deleted. Say maybe you accidentally deleted something, but you need it back. To find that option, tap Filters on the top left of the main message page to get to the message root menu. Here at the bottom, tap Recently Deleted. You'll then see a list of the recently deleted messages from your phone. These are only going to appear in here for a certain amount of time though. Apple says up to 40 days possibly. So if you want to restore anything, you have to do it within that time frame. Choose the message that you want to restore and then hit Recover on the bottom. The text messages will then be removed from the recently deleted section and added back into the text thread. And that's how you delete individual or entire text messages from your iPhone.